Good morning children. Today start the class for second standard maths. Date Tuesday, date 15/6/21. So yesterday class we will learn for the addition. Then next one today we will learn for subtraction. Addition is add together, but subtraction means take away method. So this method I show some example. You want to buy for pencil, eraser, scale, for go to the shop for stationery. Then you finally how much amount want to pay the amount. You buy the things stationery shop and total amount you pay. Then you get the balance that is saying here subtraction method. So first the cost of the pencil and scale. Cost of the pencil and scale I show here. So this one cost is here for 7 rupees. Cost of the things is 7 rupees. So how much you pay? You have the 10 rupees note and give it to the shopkeeper and get it to return back for 7 rupees minus 10. 10 minus 7. So which one number is big? 10 is a bigger number. So subtract with 10 minus 7. So shopkeeper give to the balances. Yes, 3 rupees. That is the correct answer. So this is subtraction method helpful to in your real life. This example is real life example used to in wherever go to the shop, stationery shop, fruits or vegetables, those who buy to the clothes, any one shop go there. So you do the method is you pay the amount and get it to the balance. That method is used here subtraction. The next one example. Here I show now 7 minus 3. So 5 rupees and 2 rupees is both of them is 7 rupees. Totally is added and get for 7 rupees. You take away for 3 rupees. So here use the number 7 minus 3. So minus 3 means, so 7 in the mind, 3 in the finger. So before 7, 6, 5, 4. So you say the number is before number. So 7 minus 3. You do the subtraction. 7 in the mind. So 7 is a bigger number. So 7 in the mind. Subtract for 3. So 3 in the finger. Say the before number. That is method is subtraction. So 7 before number is 6, 5, 4. So you get the answer is 4. So this is for subtraction method. Then next one. You want to buy the things for only one eraser. So this cost of the eraser is 2 rupees. But you have the amount is 5 rupees. So you have the amount only 5 rupees. So you give it to the shopkeeper for 5 rupees. You buy the things for eraser to the eraser. So shopkeeper give it to the balances 5 minus 2. So 5 in the mind, 2 in the finger. Say before counting, 5 before counting, 4, 3. So shopkeeper give to the balances 3 rupees. So 3 rupees coin is available? No. 2 rupees coin and 1 rupee coin added and get for 2 plus 1, 3. Write the number 3. Then next one, third sum. 8 subtract 8. So both the number is same. So same number you get for 0. Then next one sum, fourth one sum, 2 subtract 1. So 1 you do for before number. 2 before number is 1. The next one, fifth one sum, 6 minus 0. 6 minus 0, any number. Fifth one sum, 6 minus 0. Any number you subtract with 0, you get the same number. So that is 6. Then next one method is vertical subtraction. So first one you do for subtraction ones and tens. Then put the symbol for minus. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 you do for 2 before number is 1. Then next one. First number is 7. Second number is 3. 7 minus 3. 7 in the mind. 3 in the finger. Before 7. 6. 5. 4. So 41 is the answer. So here you do for 72 and 31. You get only smaller number. But you do the subtraction. 72 is a bigger number. 31 is a smaller number. But addition you do any number is easy to do the addition. That is add together. But here do the subtraction. First number bigger only possible to do the subtraction. So 72 is a bigger number, 31 is a smaller number, then only easy to do the subtraction. Then second sum, where we start the first, do the sum for subtract. Yes, do for ones place, this is for right hand side. So 2 minus 2, same number, you have for 2 rupees, or you have for 2 pencil, or you have for 2 chocolate. Give it to your friend, or give it to your brother, or you give it to your cousins. So you have 2 chocolate is here? No, only you have 2 only. So you give it 2. So this is 0. Same number. You get the answer. Subtraction is 0. Then next one tens place. 8 subtract 5. 8 subtract 5. So 8 in the mind. 5 in the finger. Before 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. So 8 is a bigger number, 5 is a smaller number, then only possible to do the subtraction. So 3, 0, 30 is a answer. Shall I move now next one topic, children? Easy to understand for takeaway method. Subtraction is called for takeaway method. So this answer is saying here difference. Use the symbol as minus. Next one topic for multiplication table. Your second standard children. So last year you have studied for 0 table, 1 table, 2 table clearly. Once again I give for recap. So 0 zeros are 0. Any number you multiply with 0. Answer is 0. 0 zeros are 0, 0 ones are 0, 0 twos are 0, 0 threes are 0. So you multiply with the 0, always the answer is 0. 8 zeros are 0, 9 zeros are 0, 10 zeros are 0, 11 zeros are 0, 12 zeros are 0. But you use the 1 table. So you get the same number. So 1 multiply 0, 0. 1 ones are 1. 1 twos are 2. 1 threes are 3. 1 fours are 4. 1 fives are 5. 1 six are 6. 1 multiplies are 7. 1 sevens are 7. 1 eights are 8. 1 nines are 9. 1 tens are 10. 1 elevens are 11. 1 twelves are 12. But 0 table and 1 table very easy and easy to confuse. So learn carefully children this 0 table and 1 table. Shall I move now second 2 table? Shall I move now 2 table? So first you do now 2 zeros are 0 multiply with any number. 0 twos are or 2 zeros are 0 twos are 2 zeros are 0. 2 ones are or 1 twos are 2. Then next one 2 is take for 2 times. 2, 2. So 2 plus 2, what is the answer? Yes, 2 in the mind, 2 in the finger, after 2, 3, 4. So you do now 2 skip counting. or you do now here. This is for multiplication is doing repeated addition. 2 is writing for 2 times. Then you get for 4. Then again write it for one more time. So 2 is written for 1 time, 2 time, 3 times. So 2 plus 2 plus 2. So 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 after 2, 5, 6. So this is called here repeated addition. So learn carefully children. Multiplication is doing here repeated addition method. So this is called for multiplication table. So easy to learn for skip counting is also to skip counting. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are, yes, 8 after 2 skip count 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20, 2 11s are 22, 2 12s are 24. Very good children. You learned the 2 skip counting tables and helpful to do for multiplication sums. Okay children, learn the tables. Thank you.